Good day, or good evening, I should say. Today we're going to make a Greek yogurt smoothie. As you can see, I got all the ingredients already prepared. Uh, the strawberries can be fresh. Frozen is preferred. About a cup or 8 ounces. That's lots of strawberries. Mm-mm. And banana cut into slices. Greek yogurt. And we need a tablespoon of peanut butter. Now, what I usually use is powdered peanut butter. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. Oh, yeah. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to add a little bit of almond milk just so we can get everything nice and lubricated. You can use regular milk, but I'm using almond milk just because it's healthier than regular milk and not quite as fattening. That looks delicious. Now I blended it up so that I can make more room to add the oatmeal. And we're going to add one to 2 teaspoons of honey, and I'm using all natural organic honey. Oh yeah, this is going to be the bling bling. Oh my goodness. Sometimes I'll do myself. Oh yeah. Look at that good, wholesome. Now, let's see how delicious this really is. That is absolutely delicious. And it's healthy. I'll add the description below. If you have any comments, I suggest you try this out yourself. For those who have sweet tooths and don't want to eat the ice cream that has lots of sugar in it, the Greek yogurt is really healthy. Strawberries, of course, are healthy. I use almond milk because it's healthier than regular milk. Honey has lots of benefits. And I use the powdered peanut butter to add a little mix to it. But this is absolutely delicious. It's almost like a peanut butter, banana, strawberry mix. You should try this. Until later, family. Take care.